Yesterday, I made a video about the Honest Company, and then even some of you asked me to do a video about Oatly. You know, I just did an update on one of the MCE companies, and it makes me think like, man, why are people wasting their time and energy with companies like Honest Company or Oatly, or so many other companies, when there are such special companies out there that are going to make them so rich because, number one, they're doing something, they have something special about them. And they are maybe on in an area where they're small cap, and the market just went completely insane on those small companies. But when they deliver, I mean, people are going to make fortunes. I mean, they're going to make fortunes. And then this one particular company was building up, they're in the advertising business. They were building up the business, and the market didn't care for a long time. And then the stock went from $1 to $30 within like 12 months. And it's not that the value of the company increased from $1 to $30 within 12 months. No, it's just the market was stupid for like 7 years. And then finally, it's like, the profits are huge. Yeah, because all these years, they were investing, reinvesting, their revenues were growing, but the bottom line wasn't showing. And then finally they showed the bottom line, and it's like, they make so much money. And then the stock went up 30 times, right? And then they came up with a new product that created a transition for this company. In other words, the profits disappeared because they were in the transition of taking people from the old product, transitioning them to the new product, and then that balance started to shift. But during that shift, the profitability disappeared. And the stock went from that $30 to like $2. That's where it is today. But that new product that they are transitioning to is just very unique. And the CEO, I visited the company. The CEO was telling me that he likes to sit on sales calls with potential clients because he likes to see the facial expressions when they are blown away by what this product can do. But what's so unique about this product is that this product has much higher upside than the legacy product. The legacy product that took the stock from $1 to $30, this one has much bigger upside. And also this one doesn't really face any competition because nobody else has that and they can't really duplicate it. So for the stock being at $2, I'm like, it can easily blow through 30, probably 100 or 300, because the upside of this product is just crazy, and it's in an industry that is absolutely needed. It's in an advertising industry, and all the businesses have to advertise. Some years businesses spend less money, and that's what's happening right now. They're spending less money, so the ad spend is lower. And then also the small caps are getting absolutely destroyed because of the liquidity. At some point, that's going to change. At some point, the ad spend is going to go up. But it's not even that. It's like when you look at the valuation, that new business now is generating about $65 million of revenues per year. And the whole company's market cap is like 130 something. And they have like close to 100 million of cash in the bank. Like no debt, close to 100 million of cash in the bank. So if you subtract the cash from the market cap, I mean, this thing is trading for like 1 time or less than 1 times those revenues that just doubled in the last 12 months. And then this product is not that old, and it's already gaining so much traction because it solves a major problem and the customers are blown away, and then the competitors can do it. So it's just so when I look at those companies like this, I'm like, why would anybody waste their time looking at honest companies of the world, Oatly's, or like those are stupid businesses compared to this, where you're looking at it and it's like, oh my God, this is going to create fortunes. And I'm just blown away. And then one update that I have is when I was talking about the diabetes company that I haven't talked about it yet because it's a private company. So apparently in about 2 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks or something like that, I will finally be able to start talking about this company. It's still going to be private, but I'm going to start talking about it because very soon, hopefully, the first half of 2024, hopefully first quarter, they will go public. And I'm looking at that one too, and I'm like, this is going to be a monster. This is going to be a monster. And I will want to talk about it for 3 reasons, because I always want to have a win-win for everybody. I want, because MCE members invested in it when it was a private company. So I want to talk about it because they will benefit from it. I want to talk about it because I will benefit from it because I'm a major shareholder. And I will talk about it because even after it goes public, I think the upside is still crazy for those that didn't go in as a private company. So it's a win-win. And also, I think this thing is going to blow up. You see, companies like Oracle, even Voxter, Adura is a little different. They can make you a lot of money, but I don't think that they can like capture media attention. You know, I mean, copper deposit, great. But this one can really blow up like insane because of the solution that it solves. I can totally see it on the Wall Street Journal, the first page of the Wall Street Journal. Also, you have very high profile people involved in it, like the number one or one of the top person in diabetes world. Even Bill Gross, the bond king, has something to do with this. Like, nobody is going to question the credibility of this company because of the people involved. And a solution like this, a solution for diabetes, it is so massive that it involves millions of people. And when I start talking about it, I'm going to be the first one talking about it. And it can even blow up my YouTube channel because of all these millions of people that can get cured, and how many of them will want to become shareholders on a tight float. So many different reasons why I will want to talk about it. But yeah, so after doing this update on this MCE company, I'm like, I don't even understand. People that don't look at those companies, they have no idea what they're missing. They have no idea what they're missing. And they are just looking at the, honest companies of the world, like, because that stuff is on NASDAQ. But man, they have no idea what they're missing.